Hi everyone, and welcome to And Sew On. My name is Lisa, and today I have some new to me free PDF patterns for you. Okay, so it's been forever since I've done a free pattern video, and so I wanted to go through and find some new free patterns for you guys. I have some tried and true sites that I'm going to share with you that you can always go back and check because they're always adding new patterns. And then there are some really amazing established designers who also have free patterns that I wanted to show you as well. So I'm going to be looking at my laptop and let's go through them. Okay.
So the first website we're going to look at is for Sew Magazine, and you can see here that if you click on sewing patterns and then you click on garments, you will get taken to their full sewing pattern. So the difference with these is that you not only get the pattern pieces, you also get instructions. And so if you're a newer sewist, that's great. But then if you click on downloads, you will get everything that they have to download, including, for instance, this Sew Over It dress, the Lois Dress, which is a paid for pattern on her website, and you're going to get the template. Now, you're not going to get the instructions, but if you're, sort of a intermediate sewist and you don't really need instructions, this is an awesome resource. So I love to go to downloads and just go through. You have to sift through a bit because you can't, narrow it down to garments, but there's some really cute stuff. There's a Gertie pattern, which is great. What else do we have here? I love these little baby sleep sacks. They're great gifts. And so they're just pages and pages of this. You can go back, years. Cute coat. I love those little Peggy trousers. Really, really sweet. So that's a great option. Another one is for the other magazines, sewing magazines, and you have to go through Craft World. Now you do need a login, but once you get the login, you can download quite a lot of free patterns. And what I do here is I click on the downloads and then I X out the paid part so I can see which ones are for free. So you can see that cute little Zoe dress there, a Ponte skirt. Let's have a look at that Zoe dress. So as you can see, you can read the digital version if you have a premium membership, but you can download the pattern pieces just with the free login. So if I click there on the download one file, and now you can see the printable pattern. So it looks like it comes in 6 sizes. What does that say? 8 to 20. So that's a pretty good size range, I think. And then if I keep going back, quilted jacket, very trendy. I went through this the other day and found a whole bunch of really great patterns. I love those trousers. Then as I was looking the other day, I came upon a free pattern from By Hand London, which is amazing. The Liz dress you can see right here from By Hand London. Again, really great size range and a great way to try out a paid pattern, perhaps from a designer you haven't used before, in a free version. Now again, you just have to be comfortable figuring out the instructions on your own. Okay, so next we have Sew Daily, which includes Threads magazine and a few others. I always check them every quarter. So if you go to sewing at the top and then you click on the web extras, then you will see the patterns that they have for each season. And so there's 3 available for this winter season. I just have to enter my information. And then it brings up the freebies. So there's this cute collar that you can see here, little hood, very sweet. And then there's a hack of a jacket pattern that they have. So I don't know the hack, but you get the pattern. And then a quilted jacket, which are so trendy right now. But let's look at the jacket, full pattern, color, really cute actually. That's a really cute jacket. And you can see all the sizing. So it goes from 0 to size 34. Great sizing. And this is a full pattern with instructions showing you everything you need to know, and you can print it home. So that's a really great option. I always check back on that website. Next is Peppermint Magazine. They have a sewing pattern section at the top, and they used to be free. They're still free. They're now pay what you can or pay what you like, which I think is totally fair. And the latest one is the Rosalie skirt, because of course it's summer in the Southern Hemisphere. This could use a press, it looks like. Maybe a steam or a press. But again, really cute skirt, and they always have such nice patterns. You could do a full capsule wardrobe just with those free patterns. This chore jacket is also very cool. It's very androgynous. You can make it for basically anybody. And I like the way they've shown it both in the denim, but also in like a tie-dye cotton canvas, just so you can see different versions. Always great patterns at Peppermint. Next is the Mood Society. So this is Mood Fabrics in New York. They release patterns pretty much every week. All, again, really great size range. They style them all different ways, full tutorials with pictures. So for instance, if we click on the left there, you can see them in categories if you want to jump to something specific. And let's jump on dress patterns just to see what comes up. Yeah, so many amazing designs, very modern, a little bit out of the ordinary sometimes. And yeah, I absolutely love that. I love this little wrap dress. Really, really cute. And you can just download it and you've got pictures to show you how to put it together. Closet Core Patterns is an amazing Canadian design. They actually have a new subscription you might want to check out. And they have this core t-shirt, which is their newest free pattern. Long sleeve, short sleeve, a little bit boxy, great size range. And you know, because it's Closet Core Patterns, that it's going to be really well drafted with really excellent instructions. And another Canadian, Helen of Helen's Closet. Now, when I click on patterns, often when I'm on a new site, I'll just click sort by low to high, and then the free patterns come up first. So she's got a tote and a couple other things. And the latest one is this orchard top and dress that I think came out this summer, at the end of the summer. I definitely want to make this. This is just a great, easy summer dress with pockets. We all love pockets. You can do it long, you can do it short, you can crop it. You know, very easy and basic, but I think a great addition to anyone's wardrobe. And then the last one is Stila Patterns, which is Little Lizard King is the main pattern company, which is for kids. But then she also now has a range for the moms. And she's got 3 free patterns here. So to start off, we've got that Stila Jackson, which is leggings. And then you've got this Galena, which is it's a dress and top for knits. Really cute, all different versions. Yep, love that. Here are the leggings again. I love free leggings patterns. I think I've only ever made free leggings patterns actually. And it looks like these are seamless on the side, which is my favorite. And then lastly is this Laurel Dress. Again, lots of different versions, different hacks. I love that square neckline. Yeah, that could be on my list pretty soon as well. So head over and have a look at them and see what you think. Again, sizes 0 to 32. So really great range of sizes.
Okay, those are all my free patterns for today. Let me know below which one you're gonna run over and grab right away, which one you're gonna add to your to make list ASAP. I know that I have a few on here that I'm gonna be making, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do hit that notification bell and you will see when I make any of these patterns coming up. Okay guys, that's all for me. I hope that wherever you are, the sun is shining and you are sewing or knitting or doing whatever makes your crafty heart happy, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.